Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ami. Today I'm heading to Grand Road to buy a new ring light and tripod stand. Before we head out, here's my outfit for today. आज मम्मी ने मस्त झंझनित मिसल पाव बनाया है. I know, देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ गया होगा. चलो अब जाते हैं Grand Road. The shop is just a 5 to 10 minutes walk from the station, so it's really convenient. When I got there, the shop uncle was super helpful. He explained everything about the ring light, how it works, and all the details. There were other customers too, so uncle was busy multitasking, answering everyone's questions. After buying ring light and tripod stand, my dad and I stopped by Maven's shop and picked up some puff and cake. Now we are heading home. So I'm back home. I was starving. I quickly had the puff and cake. If you ever go to Grand Road, please definitely Maven's का केक खाना. उसका केक है ना एकदम heaven लगता है heaven. Now let me show you what I got: an 18-inch LED light and a 14-inch tripod stand, all for just Rs.2500, and even comes with a 1-year warranty. The box is already open because I unboxed it at the shop, but I will show you everything on camera. Here's the ring light. Just look at how big it is. It comes with 3 phone holders. A wire and a remote to change the light color. Now let's talk about the tripod stand. It's 14 inches and it got 3 rotation knobs. Let's check out the and use the remote to switch on the ring light. You can change the light color with the remote. It's super handy. I clicked a few photos and videos to see how they turned out. I'm sure you can tell from my expressions that I'm super happy with it. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. The shop's name and location are in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and definitely subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.